Yes, I'm cooking in my backyard because today I just don't have time to make it all the way out to my cooking site that I had planned. But anyway, picture this. Someone you love stating that they found the perfect match, or in this case, a movie star was carrying on a conversation with them and thought that they were the most perfect, most beautiful, most handsome, most sincere person that they've ever met. And how charming they were, filling that person up with all the right words. That person that you love. And usually, they fall for this because they are lonely. They can visit with somebody about any time they want. Right now, I'm throwing in some beef sausage into my Dutch oven. It is hot and sizzling. This is the beef sausage that I'm using. So I'm just throwing this into the Dutch oven. It's all hot. The oil is hot to get these cooking. Let me tell you how our case first started. Find these people that go to the celebrity Facebook page and then they private message them and start talking to them. How was your day? Did you like my show? And stuff like that. And then they start to build a slow rapport with that person, with your loved one. During that time, they get them off, our case, Facebook Messenger, to an encrypted messaging sites like WhatsApp, Zanga or Zangi, Telegram, and that's how they carry on more conversation with them. In here, they're getting brown, blistered up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my potatoes. So I just have some Yukon Gold, small gold potatoes. Gonna add those in. Yep, straight out of the package. These are small Yukon potatoes. That looks like enough. Probably didn't need all that sausage in there, but threw it in there anyways. Okay. Then I'm adding in my onions and bell peppers. Onions I cut up, and then a variety of sweet bell peppers. Man, it already smells good. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, what the heck? Just throw it all in there. Who cares? Then I have a little bit of chopped sage. Probably a tablespoon, and it's fresh. Not the dried up stuff. Oh my God, it smells so good already. So to go a little bit further into how this scam worked with our family member is for several weeks, it was just general conversation, casually for a couple of weeks. And then it got to be, hey, I have a family member, or I don't have enough money to buy my kid a birthday present. Can you help me? Well, your family member, our family member, has already built a friendship, a connection with that person, that movie star on the other side of the phone. So they feel panicked and they go and get the gift card. And so they go to the store, it might be a $25 gift card. And they will scratch off the little code and take a picture of it and then send that picture via the app to the scammer, to the movie star. That's how they make money through the gift card scamming, if you didn't know. And if you didn't think that it was real, it's very real. Anyways, so then it progresses. It progresses to maybe $50. I don't have enough money for dinner this week for my little one, or whatever scam it was that they tried to play the last time, but they amp it up. These scammers, they play on their heartstrings and then they amp up the feeling of it. Well, I know you really said $50 last time. $50 is not going to do it. I really need this much money to pay my rent, to buy groceries, to buy birthday presents, whatever their scenario is that comes up to it. So your loved one, you, if you're involved in a scammer, but I'm going to say a loved one because that's what happened to us, is they feel so panicked that they have to right now hurry. I just wanted to let you guys know that the gift card scamming somehow to that person very real via gift cards. I just wanted to let you guys know that the gift card scamming is very real and loved ones may get involved in that, and in their head they know that it's a scam, that they're being scammed. It's just their heart won't allow them to recognize that they're being scammed because they built a connection, a friendship with that person on the other side of the phone, on the other side of that texting. And the sad thing about that is that that person on the other end is just taking them for all the money that they can get out of your loved one. This has been bubbling for about 5 minutes, so now we're going to add the beer. A dark beer's what it's called. Okay, gonna take it off. I'm so excited. If you guys could only smell this. Beamed up my camera. Oh boy. Yum. This looks, I wish you could be here. Shared this with me. I know my dog's back there. They'll help me eat it, but man, I'm sure you would like this. So we're just going to put the cap back on, the lid back on. Okay, we're just gonna let this all just simmer for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna come out and check it probably about 15-20 minutes from now and let all the potatoes and the bell peppers all get soft. Since I'm cooking at home, I'm gonna go run it in the house and enjoy the heat. I'm going to add in a little bit of basil and then just let it simmer for another 5 minutes or so. Gift card scammers are real and people fall for them. We Googled the photos of the scammer that the scammer was sending, and you can tell that they were Photoshopped. Often they will only text and not do video chat because obviously they're fake. We got a beef sausage and we got some potatoes and the onions and the bell peppers. It smells so good. Oh, you're shivering, buddy. Dinner is served. Oh my gosh, that plugged my ear. Gift card scammers are real, and people fall for them. We Googled the photos, we reverse Googled the scammers video pictures. Gift card scammers are real, and people fall for them. We Googled the photos of the scammer that the scammer was sending, and you can tell that they were photoshopped. So reverse search the images to see where they come from. And often they won't text. Often they will only text and not do video chat, because obviously they're fake. So if the person was real, obviously a real love, a real friendship, they would video chat. Right. Tip number 2, never send money or gift cards. The way that it works with the gift cards is they'll have you or your loved one scratch the back of the card off and take a picture of it and send it through the app. Scammers will always find a way to disappear also. You know, scammers work just like predators do in the wild. They look for easy targets. Of course, if it just seems too good to be true, then it's probably, fake. So do your research. Oh yeah, that's really good. You're shivering, buddy. He's shivering, but he wants to taste test it. And we got another little one over here. She's taste tester, Luna. What do you think? Smells good, huh? Smells good. Never send money or gift cards. The way that it works with the gift cards is they'll have you or your loved one scratch the back of the card off and take a picture of it and send it through the app. Scammers will always find a way to disappear also. Talk to a counselor. They could just be, lonely. Potatoes are perfect. Anyways, scammers prey on people looking for the easy way, easy love, and easy trust. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and stay safe. Peace out. If you know anybody that has been involved in a scam, or if you've been involved in one of these love money scams, please leave a comment below. I'd like to know your story. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Peace out.